So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK users. And now you want to expand .default. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now we're going to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now we're going to expand current version. And now we're going to expand Bluetooth. Now we're going to expand exception DB. And now you want to expand ADDRS. And then once you expand ADDRS, you should now be seeing a folder under it. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you find a folder under ADDRS, it should just be one folder with some numbers and maybe some letters in it. You want to delete this. So you want to right click on the folder and then click on delete. And then click on yes. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.